Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Fetal hiccups happen when your baby's diaphragm contracts involuntarily. Unlike deliberate kicks, these hiccups are gentle, rhythmic twitches. They actually help your baby practice breathing before birth, which is why the sensation feels so unique and often soothing for expectant parents.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.